Alright, hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a quick alternative way to mount your GoPro onto your motorcycle helmet. All the ways that I've seen so far online have involved using like a super glue or a putty to attach it to the actual front of the helmet. I'm talking about attaching it to the chin, but I'm going to show you a quick and alternative way that I've found works pretty well. Here you go. Alright guys, and stick around for after the tutorial. I'll give you a brief view of what the actual footage from the GoPro looks like with this mount. Right, so it is a super simple and easy way. You'll see I've got my motorcycle helmet here. It's a bell, and basically all you need is the GoPro head strap, and I've taken the top bit off of it, so you just slide it out. It's upside down, I'll show you why in a second here, but you just take that off, slide it around, and then attach the GoPro to your helmet. So I have the actual thing upside down. That way I can flip the GoPro and I can swivel this up to get a better angle. Also, what I like to do is I like to put some sticky tape, like gaffer tape. I'll show you. I got some here. I like to put that around here just to make sure that it doesn't slip off. I've never had it slip off, but that's just a bit of extra security on top just to make sure that it never does. So I'll show you that now. There you have it guys. It's not the prettiest solution in the world, but it is a cheap solution and you can take it off when you're finished with it, unlike those other ones where they glue it on. I wasn't a big fan of that, and this works just as well. So like I said before, all you need is the GoPro helmet mount, put it upside down around the bottom, and then sticky tape it on. There you go.